Calling all citizens, here is a little update video from Drain Plug Garage.
Doctor said you can't go to school full day, but nobody said anything about welding, right?
Yeah.
Right? Hey everyone, we are back. Where'd we go? It's been a while. We look a little different. Looks like we fell off a bridge, got ran over by a garbage truck, and then trampled and kicked by a horse. Because we did.
Hello, growing.
Last month and a half, we've been gone. Picked a fight with Big Kid here again. 22 days in the ICU, 4 more in the cardiac unit. Don't know what happened. Right, we might never know. So yeah, we've been beat up pretty bad. So we're back. Doctor said, Doctor! You can't go to school full day, but nobody said anything about welding, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And Ethan, while we're gone, he was the head of the household. Him and Housewolf, they were all alone for a month, right? And you rode your dog to school every day?
Sprayed by a skunk.
Yeah, and she got hit by a skunk. It was good times. All right, let's weld.
Yep.
Let's weld. We're back on the 46, and right now we're boxing in the frame. That's what we're trying to do, because we have a Mustang 2 suspension. I don't know if you can see it under the welder. There's the cross member. We need to box that in. We did a video. We're still working on video. We're editing it with Super Clean, where we cleaned up the inside of the frame and painted it and used some of their products. So make sure you guys subscribe for that. That'll probably be coming out next week. But right now we're just gonna do a little welding video here with my boys. Who? Shake and bake. All right, man. It's good to be back.
Good to be back. Boom, 3 in a row.
Okay, so the other day I cut out some 3/16 plate, as much as I could find. Metal is just stupid expensive. I don't know if anybody's priced out metal in a while, but it is ridiculous. All right, you all geared up? As much gear as I can get for a 4th grader. Helmet. Nice. Ready? You know where you're going?
Yep.
Yeah, pull your hood down because it's on.
Right around here.
You know, up here. Get up here. Got a little big of a gap there, but we'll fill that in.
Two.
Let me see. Okay, don't do it again. You'll spark me. Hold it.
Yeah.
Hold it in one spot longer. Just hold it for like 3-4 seconds. Don't move it. Just hold it there. Yeah, that's good. Let me look. Oh, nice one, buddy.
We just get a little bit more.
Well, move down a foot and tack it down a little bit farther. So just do a bunch of tacks all the way down it. Come down here. Come way down here by this clamp.
I know. I'm just gonna finish this one.
Oh, you want to finish? All right. Go for it. Not bad, not bad. Just hold her steady. Come down here and do a new one. Come right there and just put me a little puddle right there. Don't move it around a lot. Hold her steady. Oh, that's a good bead. Nice. You get one in the ankle?
Yeah.
It gets sparked. Is it gone? Kick your boot off if you have to. Yeah, keep your feet out from underneath there. Give me some more grinding to do. Awesome. Good?
Yeah.
You had enough?
Yeah, that hurts.
What's up, big kid? You want to do some? You want to burn some sparks?
At it.
Okay, yeah, come in here. So your brother, he kind of went all over. Just concentrate on smaller spots. So come right here, where my finger is, and then just hold it there for 4 or 5 seconds. Get closer. Get your torch closer. Nice. Just like that. Maybe go a couple seconds longer. That's perfect. That's all we need. And I'll come burn in the rest later. Perfect. Perfect little tacks. Now come down here wherever you want, dude. Come down here. See, this is, I kind of screwed up. I got to grind that off. So like, maybe come down here. Just go along that edge and put a bunch of those little BBs in there. That's a good one. Okay, want to hit a couple more? You doing all right?
Yeah.
Good one. Good one. Maybe just get one more down here in this big old gap I have. We'll call her a day.
It's coming together.
Yeah. Yeah, good one. What do you think? You want to do some more? Or are you done? You can do as much as you want.
Okay.
What about, can you get right in this crack right here in the front? See where that cross member is, right under the GoPro there? Yeah, nail it right there. Perfect, man. Got her. Maybe I'll do a couple on the bottom,
Yeah.
because you don't want to crawl upside down yet
No.
and get sparks all over. So I'll hit a couple on the bottom and we'll clean up and go home.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Get you out of there.
Alright.
I'll trade you. Can't be the only ones having fun. I want to do some welding. All right, stay back. Don't look at it. There. Think it'll stay?
Hopefully. Yep.
There. So we got it tacked in. I'll come back maybe on my next day off when you're in school or something, and I'll weld the whole thing in and grind it.
Yeah.
And maybe the other side, we'll see. And we can get working on the front suspension.
Right.
Shake, where's Bake?
Somewhere.
We got the inside coated, so stay tuned for that video. It's hard to see in the sun.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
pretty
here we
hard.
go. We put some coating on the inside, cleaned it up, and then lots of welding. So and then maybe my next day off, I'll come up here, weld this, grind it, maybe do the other side. Cool?
All right.
And then we got to get this back on the ground and rolling before it snows, so we can get it out of the way and we're not taking up Grandpa's crotch. Cool?
Yep.
You want to get out of here?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See you next time, citizens.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon.
Subscribe, Gert.
House Wolf?
Treats, baby.
Subscribe, House Wolf.
Yeah.
Subscribe for treats.
Subscribe for Treatos.
Tickle that bell icon.
All right.
Treats, kids.
Let's get out of here.